At Art Metal Workshop, we take your property to the next level with our custom electric sliding gates. Built for strength, style, and security, our gates combine precision metal fabrication with modern smart technology. We design and fabricate metal railings and frames to your exact needs, ensuring durability and a perfect fit for any property. Our team then connects advanced automated sliding gate openers, giving you smooth, reliable access with just the touch of a button or a smartphone app. Whether for residential driveways, commercial lots, or custom properties, sliding gate automation is the ideal solution when space is limited and security matters. At Art Metal Workshop, we don't just build gates, we engineer smart entrances that work for you. Contact us today and see how an electric sliding gate can transform your property with convenience, safety, and modern design.